Hello all, my name is Nanesh Tulsidas Mahajan. My topic is Newton forward interpolation. Before going to introduce this topic, I am going to talk about the types of different interpolation method. There are three different types of interpolation method. First, Newton forward interpolation. Second, Newton backward interpolation. Third, Lagrangian interpolation. If the value of x is equidistant on their difference is same, then we uses forward or backward interpolation. While for unequal difference between x values, we uses Lagrangian interpolation. Here, y of x gives the formula for Newton forward interpolation. Y of x is equal to y plus u upon 1 factorial delta y plus u into u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del to the power 2 y plus u into u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial and third difference, and it continues. In this, u is equal to x minus x0 divided by h. If we want to calculate the value of u, then we should be aware of h. H is equal to xn minus xn minus 1. That is, it is the difference between two intervals. Equation 1 is called as Newton forward difference formula. Let us consider an example below. Example is form a difference table and interpolate the value of f of x when x is equal to 4 and given is x values 3, 5, 7, 9. F of x is equal to 180, 150, 120 and 90. Here values of x ranges as here values of x ranges as x0 is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 7 and x3 is equal to 9, and they are equidistant at equal interval from each other, that is equal to 2. And also y is ranges from y0 equal to 180, y1 is equal to 150, y2 is equal to 120 and y3 is equal to 90. Hence here interval is equal, therefore we are going to use Newton forward interpolation. The value to be interpolated lies at forward of x value, hence Newton forward interpolation method is used here. And if the value to be interpolated lies in the backward of the x, means downward position, then we use Newton backward interpolation. In Newton forward difference formula, we are going to use term u, which is given by above formula, that is u is equal to x minus x0 divided by h. Here h is calculated by h is equal to xn minus xn minus 1. Let us consider our x is equal to 4. Therefore, our value lies between 3 and 5. Hence, h is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Our value of h is equal to 2. Now, we are going to calculate the value of u. U is equal to by the formula of u, and value of x is given. X is equal to 4, so 4 minus value of x0 is 3, 3 divided by value of h is 2, 2, which is equal to 1 by 2, and that is equal to 0. We are using decimal form to get a overall answer in complete format, not in the fractions. Moving further, as mentioned in the question, we have to prepare difference table. As I have prepared a difference table of the given example, as quantities in the forward difference formula can be calculated here, such as first difference, second order difference, and third order difference. The power indicate here the difference we are going to repeated, not the square or cube. Note that your difference should be always equal to delta y, which is equal to yn minus 1. You have to differ the higher valued y from lower valued y interval. For example, y1 minus y0. Our y1 value is this and y0 value is this. So 150 minus 180 becomes minus 30. And similarly, we are going to take the difference over here. The first order difference between these is y2 minus y1, 120 minus 150 also minus 30. Similarly, this is also minus 30. Now the second order difference should be takes place between those minus 30 minus of minus 30. The minus minus become plus, and this become 0, and this also become 0. Third order difference become 0 minus 0, 0. We do not need to calculate, but we have to find the last value of the difference possible in the for forward difference formula. To find the value of y, the Newton forward difference formula is up to third order difference, because our last one difference was 0 and others difference here also be 0. Therefore, our Newton forward formula was limited up to the third order difference. Now we know value of y0, that is 180. I am going to write over here 180 plus, we have also calculate value of u, that is 0.5 divided by 1 factorial. Value of 1 factorial is 1. Our first difference value is minus 30. We are going to calculate in this manner for forward method. This is now we are just going to substitute the values of first order difference and second order difference and values of u. Here 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. It is simply 0. The whole term becomes 0. Here it will also become 0. The last value will become y is equal to 180 minus, just because of here minus is given, minus plus minus हो जाता है, 0.5 into 30 will become 15, that is minus 15 minus 30 into 0.5, and the answer is y is equal to 165. This is the required answer by using Newton forward interpolation. Thank you.